world, I'm bald, I'm back. In this video, I'm giving away 2 10K challenge giveaways. People have been hounding me, man, to do these giveaways, so I'm finally doing them, man. In this video, I'm going to show you a withdrawal that I did with my Forex funds. Going to be giving you an update with what's been going on. I've been away for a little bit. I also passed a challenge with my Forex funds, so I'm going to show you guys that. And then I'm going to show you how you can enter this giveaway to basically enter these, challenge giveaways that I'm doing right here. One is going to be for my Discord community. I've done a bunch of giveaways there, but I haven't been doing a lot on YouTube, and a lot of people have been hitting me up, so I'm going to be doing them a lot more frequently, especially in April. So please hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and you're going to need to leave a comment to enter later on. You'll see how to enter. But yeah, man, this is like a part 2 to the MFF withdrawal video that I dropped 4 months ago. It did really well, man. I think it's like the #1 video that pops up if you like search my Forex funds withdrawals or some shit. So people have been hitting me up, man, asking me if I got another payout, and yeah, I did. This is the same actual account. I got small payouts in between this video. Like I did one that was 4,500, 3,800, and like there was one for like 6,200 or some shit. And yeah, I finally got like, so this year I haven't been trading all of my funded accounts. Market's been real choppy, and I've been mentioning that in the community. But right before I went away, and I'll explain that as well, I traded the last week of, I think, February. And so yeah, man, applied for this on March the 11th. And yeah, basically just got the confirmation back in Bitcoin. Ever since I had that issue with my Forex funds and the bank-wise situation, I don't take no more bank transfers. Everything's in crypto. So it was about $7,900 Canadian. And yeah, this is the only account that I was trading in February that was for funded. I was trading a personal account. And yeah, this account, man, February was, I'm gonna be very honest, it was very choppy for me. And I think this went down to like minus 3.8 or some, like almost 4% in drawdown this account, and then I just like ripped it all the way back. And as soon as I got, I got somewhere around 7-8%, whatever it was, I stopped trading. Typically I find when you're on a funded account, if you're between 4 to 8%, you should just stop. And I think MFF has actually released these stats, like the most successful payout people, whatever, they stop trading between 4 and 8%. For me, I found that to be 100% true. Every time I try to trade, once I've made more than $8,000-9,000, it's just like I end up losing it. A couple of times last summer, I took FTMO accounts from like, man, I had that one account, I ran it up to like $29,000, and I all the way back down to like 9,000. Then I had another one that I ran all the way up to 19,000, back to like 7,000. So you know what I mean? You can't get that greedy, man. If you have a funded account, risk 0.5%. Anyways, I'm gonna be doing a whole video series on funding and all that shit in April. But yeah, stay tuned, subscribe, whatever. So this is like a little payout. Just wanted to do, like, people kept asking me about it. This video did really well, so this is like a part 2 to that. And anytime I do like a video, like a withdrawal video, or like a prop firm review or a challenge or anything, I'm always gonna do a giveaway, man, because I have to give back. Like if I'm making this, whatever, man, giving away 2 10K challenges is not a big deal. So and I'm gonna be doing a lot of those, man. April, May, June, there's so many new prop firms that are like, some of them are reaching out to me that they want me to try their product out and whatever, and there's some that I want to try out myself, man. I'm gonna be honest with you, I like the funded trader program. I'm doing a challenge with them. I failed the first one this year, but as soon as I'm in the middle of doing one right now. Once I get back to trading this week, hopefully I can smash that and then upload that video, and I'll do I'm gonna be doing more giveaways, like 25K challenges, things like that. So that was the giveaway. That was the withdrawal that I did. That was the withdrawal for this month. And I also did a small withdrawal from my personal account, but my personal account, I'm just compounding the goal. For me, I want to take it to $250,000 by the end of the year. It's 100% doable, and hopefully I will do it. The other thing I also did, so a little backstory, I kind of took a little detox, sort of stepping away from the internet for the last 2.5 weeks. Have not been active on my own Discord community, YouTube, Instagram. A little bit of a spiritual journey, you could say. And I was in another country and things like that. I don't really want to go too into it, but the last week before I came back, I was on a train traveling from point A to point B. It was like a really long train ride. And I was like, yo, I'm about to go home, about to start trading this week. Why don't I just, I was bored, literally sitting there bored. And I'm like, yo, let me just see if I can smash a challenge. Let me see what I can do here. So I bought an MFF 100K, which is this one, I believe, here. And I just actually hit the upgrade button. it's this one here, and I actually just hit the upgrade button, but at the time the video was not recording. So see the details. I think the last trade I took was there on the 25th. So I took the last trade on the 25th, and yeah, so just smash this challenge. I still have to do the verification on it. They just sent me the information for the verification, man. And yeah, that's it. So not much happened in March, but yeah, I got a little bit of a payout, and yeah, man, that's another certificate to add to the wall. And yeah, so listen, if you want to enter this giveaway, man, if you are in my Discord community, if you are in my program, all you got to do is go to the giveaway section, and you already know how to enter. It's like pretty straightforward. If you are not in my program, you're somebody just, you know, who follows me on YouTube, I appreciate you. Thank you so much for following the channel, man. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and all you got to do is follow me on Instagram and leave a comment below. The reason you got to leave a comment below is because what I do is I go to the YouTube random generator thing, and it picks somebody. So the giveaway will be done on this coming Friday, and I'll probably do it during the live trading session I do, you know, I'm gonna be doing with my group, and I'll post it on IG live. So Friday, just look at my story, and if you know, it's gonna be done live. So if you see your YouTube name come up, you have 24 hours to hit me up, and once you hit me up, you know, I get that sorted out for you, and then whoever wins from the Discord, they'll find out on Friday as well. So you got like 5 days. If you're watching this video right now, man, enter, might as well. The best ways to practice on getting funded is always doing a small 10K challenge, and you know, building that confidence. So for me, every now and then when I feel confidence is running a little low, I'll just go smash a 100K challenge, and I did that right now, and I'm ready to just get back to trading full time. April, I got lots of videos coming, lots of crazy things coming. So with that being said, I want to keep this video short. Enjoy your trading week, and I hope you make lots of money. Have a great day.